So guys, this is Taparia 16 inches tool box. So I'm doing the unboxing for you. So I actually purchased it from Kashmiri Gate and not Amazon or any online shop. So the price, maybe I'll tell you the price later once you see the box. So there's 3 or 4 sizes in this. So one is 13. It starts from 13 and goes up to 22. So this one is 16 and there's another one in the middle which is 19. So for my utility this was enough, and I think for personal use this is pretty decent size. Okay, so let me put the box away. So you have this grab handle and then unlock handle. Okay, so this is the first compartment where you can put your tools on the top, and then if you lift the tray you get this much space in it. It's a decent size, I think, for the home tools like hammer or pliers or even screwdrivers and other stuff you can easily keep. And there's 2 compartments on the top also. There's one maybe for nails or screws, and there's the other. So the build and quality is quite decent. I quite like it. Now the online price for this box, which is showing up on Amazon, is 1065, and there is no discount that you can get. And maybe during the sale season it might give you 100 rupee off, but to be honest with you, I got it from a shop in Kashmiri Gate where they gave me about 20% discount on the price. So that's the retail price of this. So the bigger one, the 19-inch one, is around 1600, so you can do a 20% on that, and then approximate prices I'm telling you, but this one is for 1065 and 20% off. But if you're lucky, you might actually get 25 as well. I hope you like the video. Please hit the like button, do comment or subscribe as well. Thank you.